Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add funds to your Coinbase card. If you don't have a Coinbase account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $10 in free Bitcoin when you buy or sell $100 or more in crypto. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on Pay. Here, you will see a section for Coinbase Card. Tap on View Card. Then at the top right corner of the screen, you will see an option for Manage. Tap on Manage. Now, you will see an option for Add Funds. Tap on Add Funds. Now, enter the amount you wish to deposit. Then tap on Preview. Review the transaction details. If everything looks good, tap on Add Cash Now. That's how you add funds to your Coinbase card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.